Which of the informational BIPs transcended in the Bitcoin market? BIPs, Bitcoin Improvement Proposals, are design documents used in the Bitcoin development process. They describe proposed new features or processes for the Bitcoin protocol and document relevant design decisions. There are three main types of BIPs. Standard BIPs describe changes to the Bitcoin protocol that affect most or all Bitcoin customers. Examples include changes to consensus and block formats. Informational BIPs. These BIPs provide general information or guidance to the Bitcoin community, but do not necessarily represent new functionality or a change in the protocol. Process BIP. Process BIPs relate to changes or events in the development process. They are similar to standard BIPs but apply outside of the Bitcoin protocol. An informational BIP usually contains title and number. Each BIP has a unique number and a descriptive title. Authors, people who contributed to the proposal. Status, it can be in various states such as draft, active or obsolete. Summary, brief description of the BIP content. Motivation, explains why the BIP is necessary. Specifications, technical and specific details of the proposal. Justification, reasons and arguments for implementing the proposal. Implementation notes, guidelines for developers on how to implement suggested changes. Creation and approval process, the process of creating and approving a BIP includes several steps. Initial concept, an author proposes an idea and discusses it with the community. Draft, the author writes a draft and submits it to a public mailing list or repository. Review, the proposal is reviewed and discussed by the community and maintainers. Acceptance or rejection, based on feedback, the BIP can be accepted, modified or rejected. Implementation, if accepted, the proposal can be implemented and tested. Importance of informational BIPs. Informational BIPs are important because education, help educate the community about technical and non-technical aspects of Bitcoin. Documentation, serve as formal documentation for future references. Best practices, provide guidelines and best practices for developers and users. Communication, facilitate communication between developers and the community about new ideas and improvements. Examples of informational BIPs. BIPs, especially informational ones, play a crucial role in the evolution and development of the Bitcoin ecosystem, promoting transparency, collaboration and continuous innovation. Thank you, guys.